Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here, going to run through the trade with you on this second day of September 2025. We just got done with the U.S. closed live trading room, and this, as always, this is a trade taken in the live trading room by either myself or members in the room. So here we go. The situation is we're going to go to our old friend, the strong candle indicator. With step and trend, it is an amazing indicator. It's amazing how many nice wins you can get out of it. All right, so we're going to put a cover order on the PVI here. We're looking at, I expect the next candle to be anywhere from 60 to 80 ticks long. So we'll go ahead and use our old standard ATM of 16s, 31s, and 61s, and we'll de-risk the trade after 16s. Now, what we always do is we're going to buy, in this case, we're going to put our cover order on. And if this candle doesn't retrace, but just continues up and hits our cover order, then we're going to use the current candle for our stop, so we never have ridiculously large risk on this. So this will be a good example to showcase how and why a cover order is very useful. Now, I usually don't like to put cover orders on when I have so much of a big wick like this, but the market had failed miserably here. We're going to get a really nice move to the top. And as soon as we get picked up in the trade, we'll put our stop. Well, our stop is where it belongs. All right. We'll put it, usually it would be the last major failure point all the way down here. But since it didn't retrace and picked up my cover order, this is exactly the reason why you use a cover order right there. If the market takes off without you and you haven't been able to put a trade on where you want it, it's a great way of doing it. So the trade is de-risked. 16s and 30s are out, so we're a total of 60 ticks in profit. And if you want to move your stop into a plus situation, you can. Now we're just waiting to see if we can get past this brick wall, at least reach over and pay our 60 tick target. And it does rather easily. So I was a little nervous at first because that's a long way to go for a cover order, but this went really, really well. There we go. Target's out. That trade took not even a minute and a half. And was worth 620 US dollars. So if you want to learn how to make 620 US dollars in a minute and a half, come and join us in the US closed live trading room. Come look us up at samuraidaytrading.com, samuraidaytrading.com. Look forward to seeing you in the live trading room real soon. Until next time, God bless, and we'll see you then.